How to change keyboard settings on iPhone X? Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Keyboard. Here, you'll find a variety of keyboard settings that you can customize. You can turn auto capitalization, auto correction, check spelling, enable caps lock, predictive, smart punctuation, character preview, period shortcut, and slide to type on or off, depending on your preferences. If you'd like to add another language, tap Keyboards, then Add New Keyboard, and choose the language you want to use. You can also tap Text Replacement to create shortcuts that automatically expand into longer words or phrases when you type. Your changes are saved automatically and will take effect the next time you use the keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully changed the keyboard settings on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.